Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is kind of already in a hairstyle, but first off, I'm just going to show you guys how I stretch my mini twist. So I also like to refresh my twists as well and moisturize them. So as you can see, I'm just wetting my hair with this water bottle. I'm not getting it soaking wet, it's just a little damp. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is the Kinky Curly Not Today. And I'm just gonna place that all over my hair. I didn't place, a lot, just a little, just to coat my strands of mini twist. And don't be alarmed or don't worry, you are going to get some twists that will unravel, so all you have to do is twist them back up. It's literally that easy. Just twist that baby back up and you are good to go. Alright, so now I'm just going to split my hair into 2 equal parts, and yeah, I'm going to grab this rubber band and I'm going to start doing the banding method to stretch out these mini twists. If you don't know what the banding method is, and I don't know where you've been, I don't know if you're living under a rock, but yeah, just kidding. So yeah, the banding method is basically where you are just taking a rubber band and stretching the your curls or whatever, in this case mini twists. So I'm actually just bringing that rubber band down and also tightening it as I'm bringing it down. I feel like this is kind of a little bit more self-explanatory, so it's kind of like you just have to just watch and see what I'm doing. But yeah, that is all I'm doing, just bringing that rubber band down and tightening it. But I only use 1 rubber band for each section or each half of my hair, and then I'm just going to bring that around my head to stretch it some more, and I'm just going to secure that with a bobby pin. Alright, and then I'm going to tie my hair up and let this sit and marinate overnight. So it is the next morning or day. I'm pretty sure it's probably the afternoon on this clip, but I am taking these rubber bands off, and you guys, my hair was really stretched. Like, I have to do this method more often. Even when I do my actual wash and goes, I still need to do this method because this works really good. So now we're going to get into styling my hair. This first hairstyle is my go-to hairstyle, and some of the pieces of my mini twist are a little bit curly, so I thought that was really cute. But just keep in mind that if you do wet your hair and kind of band it like I did, then your mini twist might come out a little curly like this. Not a big deal to me. But yeah, I pulled 2 twists out in the front. on each side, and then I pulled some twist out in the back to give it that kind of effortless look. And then you see me just placing bobby pins in the bun that I created. So yeah. So this is a few days later and I am not naked. I have a towel on. So yeah, this is still hairstyle number 1. So what we're doing with those 2 twists in the front, we are actually twisting them together. So those 2 twists are becoming 1 twist, but I am not unraveling the twist at all. I'm just twisting them together. So of course this is a few days later because look at my edges. They look like taco meat. So I'm just readjusting my bun and making sure that it is sitting up nice and high like I want it to. And I still have those same pieces hanging down in the back, as you can see. So now we're going to work on these edges. I'm using this edge booster edge control. So yeah, I'm just going to do my little baby hairs. And voila, there you have it, hairstyle number 1. And yeah, now we're moving on to hairstyle number 2. So I'm just taking this bun down, but I am leaving those 2 twists up in the front. I'm not bothering them at all, and I'm just splitting my hair in to 2 halves so I can get these high puffs. Alright, so all I'm doing is wrapping this hair around itself, and then I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it. I was having a little tricky time trying to actually have the bun in a place that I wanted it to be and have it sitting up nice. So, you know, just play around with it a little bit, do it to your own liking. And boom, there you have it. This is hairstyle number 2, and this is my second favorite hairstyle. Moving on to hairstyle number 3, we are untwisting these twists in the front and retwisting anything that accidentally got unraveled. So yeah, I am bringing some pieces of hair to the front, just, well, not some, it's actually a couple of pieces in the front, just so they're kind of like hanging to the side. Then I'm going to twist that up and get it out of the way. Now we're going to work on the back, and we're just going to do a simple high bun and then put some pieces, well, 2 pieces down on the sides right by my ear. So yeah, I'm gonna do that bun that I did earlier, just bobby pinning that up to the back, and then I'm gonna bobby pin the pieces down on the side so they're kind of hanging down below my ear, just like this right here. Next, I'm just grabbing my head wrap. You don't have to use the head wrap. I just chose to because it looked a lot better with the head wrap and it was just more stylish. But yeah, make sure you are, if your mini twists are kind of all over the place, just bobby pin them in place where you want them and they'll stay. So yeah, I'm just wrapping that hair wrap around my hair and I'm just tying it, and boom, this is hairstyle number 3. So I'm just showing you guys that you can wear this hairstyle without the wrap as well. But now we are taking all of this down, and now we are moving on to hairstyle number 4. So I decided to put those 2 strands of mini twists down in the front again. I am not twisting them up this time, and then I'm just going to do a low ponytail with some twists hanging down in the back. You can adjust the ponytail to your liking, and this is hairstyle number 4. Alright, last and final hairstyle. This is a simple hairstyle. This is hairstyle number 5. All I'm doing is gathering all of my hair to one side, and then I'm just going to tie that down as in a low ponytail. And then next I'm going to unravel all of my twists. As you can see right here, I've only unraveled my twist one time. I didn't unravel them anymore. I just separated them once, and now I'm just going to separate some more pieces to make it a little bit more fluffier. So yeah, this is a hairstyle all by itself. So actually unraveling and undoing mini twists is actually a little, little nice little twist out. And I've had these mini twists in for about 2 weeks now. So yeah, I'm surprised when I unraveled them, they actually turned out good. But yeah, that is all I have for this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my previously filmed videos.